Hi everyone, I'm Lee from Solana Tech. Today we are very honored to actually invite Mr. James Lai to be here to share about his story to all of you.
Hi, my name is James. I'm staying in Kulai.
Okay, thank you, Mr. James. Okay, so the first question we want to actually ask you is actually what kind of actually issue and what kind of problems your house actually facing during hot and sunny day, and before actually using this Verdant solar roof ventilation fans.
Okay, my room actually facing to southwest. So after afternoon, my room will tend to be very warm and humid. I have paste with this the some drop flood, even 92-93% insulation. It doesn't help. I put my curtain even thicker so you cannot have the sunlight coming, but yet cannot solve the problem. Until my wife actually saw an advertisement in Facebook, Solana Tech, then I called up Kevin, and then sound like he meet my requirements, so I called up him and said, hey, why not you give me a quote, then we can consider the whether we want to proceed. Definitely after install the ventilators, which is solar power driven, help a lot. I used to have a problem even we stay in the living hall downstairs, also feel humid and warm, sometimes even sweat. So then you have to on the aircon in long hours. Even the aircon is on, if you actually costing more money in terms of the power consumption. So I think definitely I got the same problem like me. You can consider to install one. To test up, if the first one you test up proven effective, you can consider second unit also. The unit we installed 2 units, one is 40 horsepower, one is 30 horsepower. The installation, my living hall upstairs and downstairs improved a lot. My wife was so happy. And then after installation, she never even complained about the warm and humid. I think the unit solved our problem. So hopefully, plan who have the same problem like me can consider. Just to take note, I actually managed to introduce a few of my colleagues doing installation the unit. I think 2 of them already installed. I never heard anything about bad news from them. I did ask one of my colleagues, Shima. She was happy with the installation. Yeah, and the unit helped to solve her problem. Right.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, James, for your sharing. Yes, James is one of the customer who actually refer a lot of his colleague and neighbor to actually to us. So far in our record, I think about 4 to 5 people already moved to actually to solve this hot and stuffiness issue. Do you have any last word to our audience before we end today sharing sessions?
I think with the MCOs just announced yesterday, believe more people will stay back at home instead of working in office. This could be the good timing to consider install a unit if you have the same problem like me. If your house facing to west, facing to the southwest or northwest, it's good to consider. Okay, this is at this moment I can't say much more about how good this unit is. If I never met Kelvin before, I'll most probably go for those old type of technology, those dome type, like the big ventilators. So I think help a lot. Thank you, Kevin.
Thank you, James, for your sharing, and very appreciate your sharing today.